Welcome to Movement and Function. I'm Beth Wagner. Today's video is about treating and preventing leg cramps. I'll start by sharing some information about things that you can do throughout the day to decrease the likelihood of getting leg cramps. And then I'll finish up by showing you a calf stretch that will help get rid of the leg cramp and prevent further leg cramps. First of all, oftentimes leg cramps are caused by an imbalance in our system, either due to dehydration or due to an electrolyte imbalance. Making sure that you're drinking adequate water is important for preventing leg cramps. Equally important is making sure that you're getting electrolytes. One way to do that is to add an electrolyte supplement to your water. The product that I like the best is called Nuun, N-U-U-N. I actually use this, I've been using it for years, and I really like it. I do have a link to purchase this product down below through Amazon. And as an Amazon affiliate, I will receive a tiny bit of proceeds from the sale of the Nuun product through my link. But honestly, I'm just suggesting this because I think it's a great product and it works really well. I use this after I exercise. Anytime you sweat a lot, you're losing a lot of electrolytes and minerals through your sweat, and those need to be replaced. This container contains 12 servings, and it's a small round circle like an Alka-Seltzer, and you just drop it in a glass of water, anywhere from 10 ounces to 20 ounces, depending on how strong you want the flavor to be. I suggest using this every day if you're having daily leg cramps. Otherwise, use it after you perform any kind of activity or exercise where you're sweating a lot. Okay, let's move on to the stretch. There are several different ways to do a calf stretch. I'll go over a couple of those. Functionally, the easiest way to do the calf stretch is standing up. Stand next to a countertop, 1 foot back, 1 foot forward. Bend the front knee, keeping the back heel on the ground. You should feel a deep stretch in the back of the calf of the leg that's behind. So in this case, my right calf is stretching. Make sure that your toes are pointed straight forward when you're doing this stretch. Hold for about 20 to 30 seconds, relax, and then repeat on the other side. Step that foot back, bend the front knee, and keep the back heel on the ground. Continue alternating sides 2 to 3 times on each leg. Performing daily calf stretches can be a great way to prevent leg cramps. I suggest doing them in the morning and in the evening. I tend to have tight calves, and I perform calf stretches while I'm brushing my teeth. It's an easy way to make sure that I'm stretching twice a day. If you have a leg cramp come on suddenly at night, you may need to stand up and stretch the way I just demonstrated, but you also might be able to get rid of the calf sitting up or lying down. I'll show you that. Simply bring your leg up toward your chest, bend your toes up toward your knee, reach for your toes, and pull back. Oftentimes this is enough to stop the leg cramp right away. From here now, you can also do a little bit of a massage in the calf. Massaging the calf can be a great way to release that tight contraction, that tight cramp. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes while you're holding your leg in the stretch position. If it's difficult for you to hold your leg up, you could just put your heel right there on the surface. Or if you're lying down on your back, simply lift your leg up in the air and massage this way. I hope that you find this information and the calf stretch helpful to get rid of your leg cramps and prevent further leg cramps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here's to your healing, health, and happiness. Have a fantastic day.